Life and death of Quaid-e-Awam Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Born in Sindh on 5th of January 1928, Z.A. Bhutto studied law to become a barrister. Founded Pakistan People's Party on 30th November 1967. He became President of Pakistan in December 1971. On 2nd of July 1972, Z.A. Bhutto signed Shimla Agreement. Secured release of 93,000 POWs imprisoned in 1971 war. Parliament approved new constitution in 1973. He strengthened strong ties with China and Saudi Arabia. Steel mills manifest Bhutto's ties with Soviet Union. He initiated the atomic bomb program. PPP won 1977 elections. Alleged rigging led to civil disorder. Chief of Army Staff General Ziaul-Haq deposed Bhutto on 5th July 1977. In a debatable case apropos murder of a political foe, Z.A. Bhutto, 51, was executed on 4th of April 1979.